Hello guys, and welcome back to Keda's Kitchen. Today we're making a creamy mustard chicken recipe. Every bite is so juicy and tender. This is a very easy recipe and has been a family favorite for years. This recipe moves very fast, so it's best for you to have everything prepared and ready to go before you start cooking. Season the chicken with a pinch of salt and black pepper on both sides. Place the flour in a bowl. Dredge the chicken on both sides in the flour. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Cook the chicken for 4 minutes per side, or until the chicken is cooked through and coating is golden brown. Transfer the brown chicken to a plate and set aside. In the same pan, lower the heat to medium-low and add 1 tablespoon butter, 2 cloves of garlic chopped. Keep mixing until the garlic is golden. Add the chicken broth. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard. One half of lemon juice. Half cup of heavy cream. And 1 cup of parmesan cheese. Simmer for 3 to 4 minutes over low heat. And in the end, you can add some parsley to taste. And this is really good to serve it over pasta, cooked rice or mashed potatoes. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, give me a great thumb up below and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time. If you want more easy chicken recipes ideas, check this up here.